Wow, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this stream video, and if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they can check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this stream video, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other stream videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But on to the next stream video.